right, so family, just wanted to say thank you guys for coming out today. Again, we appreciate all your support. You guys have been there all year for us, and this is kind of the final stop. We've got the majority of the team here, and this will probably be one of the last times after graduation that they will be together as a team. This group, 2023. But we had a goal at the beginning of this year. In the middle of our season, we took a loss at Millbrook. And after that game, we kind of had to be perfect in our season from there on out. And we were able to do that. And we kept the pressure on the other teams, and because of that, you know, I don't know if Millbrook didn't have the right guys or they didn't handle it the right way, but so many teams get that pressure on their shoulders and they fold right over. And so for us, you know, we had 4 or 5 overtime games this year. We knew that pressure very well, and we knew what we had to do going into the final stretch of the season to come out with a championship. And here we are, fellas, on the last day. And it's all due to your hard work. I'll give you guys all the credit in the world. The one thing I always talk about these guys at practice is they never stop playing. It didn't matter if we were down by 10 goals or by 3 goals. And it didn't matter the amount of time that was left on the clock as well. These guys just kept on playing and worried about the next play in order to win the game. And for anybody who's been at our games this year, we had some, you know, some cardiac kids here on Wednesdays and Saturdays again, giving us all heart attacks. But they were able to play some great lacrosse this year, come out of this with another championship. Some of these guys have had 2 in a row, which is really hard to do in our league, being so competitive. So I'll give them all the credit. They deserve everything. And the final cap here is we're going to ring the bell. I'd like the seniors to get up front and pull that thing together as a group. All right, get right up there. The rest of the team, you guys can follow in right behind.
Wait, just wait for me, boys. Wait for me, okay?
Remember, when you pull it, really let it go back.
Pack it up, pack it up.
Count of 3, fellas. 1, 2, 3.
Family on 3. 1, 2, 3, family!
Everybody in front of the bell. Yo, guys.
You gotta win a championship.
Yo, Ben. Do we have that video?
Ready, big smiles. Championship Monday. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, one more. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Let's go, boys.
Good job, boys. Job well done. Now go study for your finals. Go ahead. Go study.
Where's the job finished?
Seniors in front of the job finished?
Job's not finished.
How's the job finished? In front of the bell? Or on the bell, either one. How's the job not finished? Hey.
Oh, yeah.
This front row, that, hey, Darv, can you go over here? Great. All right, here you go. All right, ready. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Luke and Foxy, over here, please.
Sneaky like a
Yes,
frog.
that's right.
Mr. Wells, did you come up with that line or did he?
I came up with it for my son.
I'm gonna write a story. You have 3 questions. So you just pick one.
Where's that?
I
We
know.
all pick one together? We all
No, separate. Evan. Evan.
Evan's really good at defense. Evan's the captain.
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so here are the questions. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody to answer the question. What was the strength of the district? Somebody to answer the question.
I got it, yeah.
Somebody to answer the question about you're just going to comment about competing as champion. If somebody to comment about somebody to comment about just winning the championship. One more. How about all the type doing
I'll talk about it. I'll do Coach Mac.
Yeah, I'll do strength.
Oh, we're doing it now?
Yeah. Oh, is it on video or just voice recording?
Yeah, just say it.
Strength.
Yeah,
I really think this year our strength of the team was how tight of a team we were. Like the Brotherhood, we kind of built over the 8-10 weeks we had together. It started in Syracuse, so like when we got time off and Syracuse after practice, we'd all be in each other's hotel rooms, and that kind of continued out with the pasta dinners on Friday nights before Saturday games, and really any opportunity we had free time, we kind of took advantage of each other just because we love being around each other.
Yeah, so we came out this season. Worked towards that every day, every practice, and when we had to. And obviously it feels good for the seniors going out, but also leaving the underclassmen with something to work towards.
Oh, he's sweaty. Sean Simon?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Carter, you want to do it?
That was like the major goal this year.
You're the offensive scoring defense.
Thank you, Mr. Wells.
Thank you very much, boys.
Yeah, Luke.
Okay, we'll call that a wrap on the bell ringing celebration. Hope you enjoyed the broadcast. And another championship by the Titans. Have a great rest of your evening.